Hi, my name is Raymond. I'm 42 this year.
Hello, my name is Rachel, this year 40.
We moved in about 3 months ago. The whole duration of the renovation took about 4 months. I'm glad I'm finally in. This is not the first time working with Jessie. This is my second project with her. I'm a person with a lot of questions, so she's always very patient and trying to understand all my requirements. She's into very good design details.
但他的 design 也是我们比较喜欢的，已经跟他做了2次，所以蛮幸运找到杰西。
What I really love about the house is the patio, which I'm sitting right now. In general, it's bright views, simple design, and a lot of movable space for us to host guests. And kids can watch games and TVs in the living room. In terms of process, she has very systematic process, and we usually have, as owners, intermediate or shortcoming requirements. She's always willing to adjust and adhere to our needs. Other parts includes how the rooms are being designed both for dual purpose and making use of space, for studying, for working, and even for sleeping. So the big area that I have accommodates for my family needs at this point of time as they are growing kids. So I'm very thankful that to come up with a design that fits all our needs.
The wardrobe is my favorite part. 我的房间我喜欢我的 walk-in wardrobe， 还有我的厕所。这个家我每一个地方都很喜欢。
What I really like about Jessie is the after-sales support. Even though carpentries are done, Jessie is still willing to give advice on what can be done further if I need more help. This is something that I value, and that's why I've been working with her again and again.
Thank you, Jessie, and your home.